at the greatest point of fear that will give you the greatest amount of return also. Kung hindi na siya nakakatakot, yung upside mo mas konti. Bakit? Madami na rin bumili eh. Pag madami na bumili, you are buying it at a higher price. Ganun lagi yun. I think yung kapalit lang nun is bumili ka at a point na market crash, nakakatakot. May risk na bumaba pa siya lalo. Pero as long as may bala ka, hindi natamaan yung cash flow mo, hindi mo naman kailangan yung pera, longer time horizon mo, by all means, large crash, put in money. Majority of my mistakes were from that. Kasi news will cause you to become emotional eh. Okay, so to answer your question, ito pwede nilang gawin. Decide based on kung ano yung rules nila ng technicals or fundamentals. Kung may buy signal, bili. Kung may sell signal, sell. Then sa kanila tingnan yung news para hindi sila ma-influensya ng news. PE ratio is important based on the parameters that I mentioned, pero it does not tell you also the whole story. And kasi ito nagiging pitfall na madami tao. Kahit ako nung nagsisimula ako, PE ratio na natitignan ko, pero sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, ano ba yung kailangan ko tignan na hindi ko na kailangan mag-aral tas yayaman ako? It doesn't work that way eh.
Parang skeptical ako to buy something na IPO.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam kasi kung ano yung dapat kong parang tignan bago ako bumili ng isang IPO.
Okay. Ano to?
Never pa akong nag-IPO talaga.
That's not wrong to not buy na hindi ka bumili ng IPO. Pwede naman yun eh. Madami akong kilala also. Sophisticated investors. They always wait until nasa market siya. May mga kilala din naman ako that basta pinag-aralan nila na mabuti, they buy the IPO. It's not wrong. I don't know nga saan nang galing yung notion that you always have to buy every IPO out there. That doesn't happen. You only buy what makes sense for you. Yun lang naman yun eh. Yung isa sa examples ni Warren Buffett is baseball. Hindi mo naman kailangan mag-swing every time eh. Kailangan mo lang mag-swing pag tingin mo matatamaan mo eh. So why do you have to swing kung tingin mo pangit ng pitch sa'yo? Ganun din sa IPO. If it does not make sense to you, then you avoid it. So kung trader, it would be nice na hintayin mo na lang na magkaroon siya ng chart kung magte-trade ka. Kung investor ka, aralin mo. If you think that at this price, okay na siya. Pero in the same way, dapat may bala ka that if it goes lower, tanggap mo, but you get to buy it cheaper and then you can still buy also. Pero in the same way, kung ganun ginawa mo, dapat may rules ka that kung hindi na siya bumaba, pero gustong-gusto mo pa rin siya, mapipilitan ka to buy it at a higher price. So it always will go back to conviction eh. Kasi if you watch the videos that I did about IPO, may mga stocks naman talaga na pagkataas ng IPO, hindi na siya bumalik eh. Pero may mga stocks also na on the same day, bumagsak siya. May mga stocks also on the same day, umakyat siya. Pero bumagsak din siya a few days after. May mga stocks that bumagsak siya sa IPO, pero a few weeks after, umakyat siya tapos never na rin siya bumalik. So, it's more about kung ano yung mga rules mo, bakit mo siya bibilhin. And what's interesting about an IPO is, iba-iba siya lahat eh. May mga stocks na pagka-IPO, akyat siya, dire-diretso 3 years. Tapos after that, 2 years after, mas mababa na siya ng IPO price. Babalik at babalik pa rin siya sa ano yung rules mo sa fundamentals. Kasi kung ito yung mga tinitingnan ko sa fundamentals, ito gusto ko earnings, ito gusto ko valuations, ito gusto kong debt, ito gusto kong liquidity niya. Kung nasatisfy naman lahat yun, edi bilhin mo na. Kung meron hindi na satisfied doon, kahit anong, no matter how glorified it is, di wag mo bilhin.
Will the Philippine economy recover even if the government haven't really flattened the curve?
By the time we're making this video, no, I think the curve is relatively better than what it was noong August. I think the economy is recovering already kahit the curve is not flattened. Eh. Bakit? Kung hindi pumapasok yung mga tao sa office, hindi sila nagpapagas. Isipin mo na lang yung multiplier effect nun na 10,000 cars na nasa bahay na hindi nagpapagas. How it affects yung oil industry natin. And ganun din. Kung 10,000 cars pumasok, for sure, magbabayad yun ng parking. How does that impact the real estate market? Tapos isipin mo multiplier effect nun, bukas na yung parking. So, yung tao na hindi pumapasok dati na hindi sumisweldo na parking attendant, suddenly, may sweldo na siya. Isipin mo pa ito ulit. Because may mga kotse na ulit sa daan, toll fees, SMC, MTI. Isipin mo ulit to dahil may mga kotse na ulit sa daan, yung mga car wash boys na walang trabaho, bigla may trabaho na ulit sila. Multiplier effect nun, tubig, Manila Water, MPI. Multiplier effect nun, yung sabon na ginagamit nila. So, I think even if the curve is not flattened, as long as economic activity is there, businesses will be better. Kung nakikita mo yung mga post ko sa Instagram, nung unang labas ko, naka-gloves pa ako, tapos naka-hood pa ako, as in balot na balot ako. Pero ngayon, kahit maingat ako, hindi na ganun eh. Kasi parang may idea na tayo of how to be careful about it na in a way na magiging productive ka. While we're making this video also, first time ko pinuntahan ko yung barbershop namin sa Quezon City. 7 months ako hindi dumadalaw doon, pero pumunta ako. Pero if you would ask me nung April to go there, hindi ako pupunta. Totoo that there will be businesses that will be slower, that there will be businesses that will move faster. So, I've been saying this over and over. Lahat ng connected sa tourism, lahat ng connected sa mass gatherings will still be hit. Lahat ng connected sa pwedeng gamitin sa bahay, that supermarkets, groceries, telco, data will do very, very well. So, may winners, may losers.
So, sir, when market crashes, what is it really that you need to do?
Bili. Buy as much as you can, lalo na kung investor ka. Although, ito ulit sasabihin ko, at that point kasi, emotions are at its highest na nakakatakot eh. Pero, at the greatest point of fear, that will give you the greatest amount of return also. Kung hindi na siya nakakatakot, yung upside mo mas konti. Bakit? Madami na rin bumili eh. Pag madami na bumili, you are buying it at a higher price. Ganun lagi yun. I think yung kapalit lang nun is, bumili ka at a point na market crash, nakakatakot, may risk na bumaba pa siya lalo, pero as long as may bala ka, hindi natamaan yung cash flow mo, hindi mo naman kailangan yung pera, longer time horizon mo, by all means, large crash, put in money. And I'll say this over and over. Yung mga crashes na yan, it will happen over and over and over and over and over again. We are watching this 2020 and that's why I like YouTube kasi pwede itong balikan 20 years after that. Sure ako, there will be another recession. I don't know when, I don't know what will cause it, but I know there will be another one. And why am I saying this? If you are watching this, prepare na kayo. Why? Kasi pag bumagsak ulit, madami kayong cash, may pangsalo kayo, you can buy a lot. Magagaya nyo si Aisha na sobrang daming binili na Jollibee stock, kaya doble na. You get what I'm saying? That
yes.
If your timeline is long, large crashes, investor ka, that's an opportunity para mag-stockpile.
How much savings should you have? Can investments be considered as savings?
No. You don't invest to make money. You don't save to make money. You save to hit your goal, you invest to hit your goal. Meaning, nag-i-invest ako para makakuha ako ng 50,000 na passive income. Paano ako makakuha ng 50,000 na passive income? Kailangan ko ng 1 million. So, mag-invest ka until makuha mo yung 1 million. Pag nakuha mo na yung 1 million, what's the point of investing and nakuha mo na yung kailangan mo? Ganun din sa saving. Parang gusto mo sabihin, I want to save money para at least kung wala man pumasok na income, I will be okay for 5 years straight. And nakuha mo na yung pera mo for 5 years straight, yun yung amount mo. That's why it's different for everyone eh. Kasi we all have different goals eh. Some people, their goals are not as expensive. Some people, their goals are expensive. Or, eto na lang, it's always talked about na you invest for retirement. Ako, retirement for me is, basta magawa ko lang yung gusto kong gawin when I want it. I don't need to buy that expensive yacht. I don't need to buy that private jet. Di ko kailangan ng Lamborghini. Basta, kailangan ko lang, kung gusto ko magkape, kailangan ko gusto magagawa. Kung gusto ko kumain, kailangan ko gusto magagawa ko. Kung mag-grocery ako, kuha lang ako ng kuha without even thinking kung ano na siya. That's what it is for me. Pero for some people, retirement is, gusto ko, nag-Europe ako every year. Or for some people, mas simple, hindi, magpa-farm na lang ako sa province. Pero lahat yun, iba-iba yung number nun eh. So what I'm saying is, you invest for you to hit the goal. You save for you to hit the goal. That's the most important. So it's not about the amount, but what the question that people should ask is, ano yung amount na importante para sa'yo?
What are the best industries to invest right now?
Anything connected to the new normal. I mentioned it earlier that anything connected to the internet, anything connected to e-commerce, anything connected to telecom, anything connected to data. So whether it's local or US stocks, but anything connected to that, those will do very well. Or anything that will make people comfortable na nasa bahay sila. Either gadget, furniture, or pagkain, or kung saan man nila binibili, kung binibili man nila yan sa Pure Gold, all of those things I think will do very, very well. Basta kailangan lang isipin ng tao, saan pupunta yung pera in times like this? Those will thrive. I don't think even if may lumabas yung vaccine, magta-travel kagad yung mga tao kasi hindi naman distributed sa lahat ng country agad yun Not everyone will get it And isipin mo to, I don't have the exact numbers, pero if you travel abroad, sobrang mahal ng insurance na kailangan mo kunin, health insurance na pag nagkaroon ka ng COVID, kailangan mo na ganitong insurance para yun yung sasagot sa hospital mo.
Is it better to invest in bonds now than stocks?
What's your definition of better?
Inflation ngayon is down. So when inflation is down, bonds are good price, di ba? Parang ganun.
Inflation is down, pero interest rates are down. So, ibig sabihin lahat ng mga issue na bonds also, the rates will be lower. Na yung bonds natin nakapeg kung ano rin yung interest rate. So, kung kahit mababa inflation, kung mababa rin yung interest rate natin, kahit anong mga issue na panibagong bonds, mababa din sila. Pero balikan natin yung question mo, what's your definition of better?
Kasi 'di ba pag meron kang ganitong certain amount na money, you have to think kasi ang dami ngayong ways to invest. Like yung sabi mo, sir, meron din akong MP2. So, kung may ganito akong amount, maganda ba ilagay ko siya sa stock o sa bond?
Statistics have shown it naman that especially pag long term, mas malaki yung earning potential ng stock market. It's just that may volatility lang siya. So, above and beyond kung pwede ka kumita o hindi, kailangan i-consider ng mga tao, totoo, mas malaki yung chance na long-term kikita sa stock market over bonds. Pero, habang gumaganon, kaya mo ba? Kasi if not, baka better bonds sa'yo. Tapos another thing to consider na better is, anong stage ka ng buhay mo? Kasi kung habol mo lang interest income, mag-bonds ka na lang, or mag-preferred shares ka na lang, or mag-dividend-paying stocks ka na lang. Ito yung hindi napapansin ng mga tao. What's always talked about sa stock market is, paano mo mapapalaki pera mo? Diba? Parang yun lagi yung usapan sa stock market, di ba? Pero what if malaki na yung pera mo? So for some people, hindi na nila iniisip gano'ng kalaki kikitain nila kasi mas importante sa kanila na hindi mawala yung pera nila. So they would rather take less risky investments kahit mas maliit yung kikitain nila. Basta yung million na nakikita nila, hindi na mawala yun. It depends kung nasan ka. So if your goal is you want growth, by all means, invest in the stock market. If you want cash flow, you want less volatility, then bonds might be better for you today. So guys, I hope madami kayong natutunan. I hope that this is something that you learned well. 2 videos to back to back. Sobrang insightful ng questions. Ganun din, kung may question kayo, send a DM via Instagram or links below, YouTube community, Patreon community, it's all there. And then, alam nyo, yung pinaka-request ni Aisha, meron siyang isang request Isa lang yung pinaka-request niya sa inyo lahat. Yung pinaka-request niya, binulong niya sa akin, pindutin nyo daw yung like button sa YouTube para masaya daw siya. Totoo. Anyway, I just want to end with this lang. Ako na lang magtatanong sa'yo one question before we put this to a close. Bakit sobrang aggressive mo mag-invest? Why are you investing right now at 25 years old? Bakit gusto mo mag-invest sa iba-ibang assets?
Kasi meron akong extra Tapos, gastosera ako. So, instead of buying things na hindi naman talaga important, dito na lang ako sa mga investment where I can grow my money. And for my future na din.
Galing. Saan ka mas masasaktan? Sa pera, sa pag-ibig?
Parang pareho. Pero mukhang pera talaga ako, sir. So, pera.
Okay, got it. Salamat. So, to everyone, I hope you got a lot from this and I hope nakatulong to sa inyo. Medyo hodgepodge of questions from fundamentals, trading strategy, stock allocation, macroeconomics. But I hope nakatulong din sa inyo. Nag-enjoy ka naman, Aisha, sa time.
Yes, sir. Pwede mag-plug ako?
Ano pa plug natin?
Sa YouTube ako
Okay. Sige, guys, gato gagawin ko. Hanapin nyo si Aisha Fardo pero lalagay ko yung link sa description ng YouTube channel ni Aisha. Okay, so that's it for now. To everyone, I hope you learned a lot and I hope that this is something that's helpful to all of you and I hope na nakatulong to sa inyo to help you think and help you analyze things well. And that's it for now. Marvin Guillermo with Aisha Fajardo. May magtatanong, single, married?
Not available.
Okay, sa mga nagko-comment dyan, alam ko madami nagko-comment na gano'n, not available anymore. So, I hope madami kayo natutunan. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon and God bless you.